How to redeem a Bitget referral code? First of all, let's navigate and open the Bitget app on your phone and log into your account. Find the referral option on the home page and tap on that. It will redirect you to a new page. Here, you will find different invitation options and you can participate in the current reward offers. So scroll down and select the first option if you want to invite through a referral link. At the bottom, you will find your referral link, QR code and invite button. Select any method to invite your friend and get a chance to win BTC tokens and 1500 USDT mystery box on each invitation. When your friend is creating a new account, they should use the shared promo code, and once they start trading or deposit funds, you will receive the following rewards. And that's it. This is how you can redeem the Bitget referral code. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.